Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am your biology ma'am. Afseen ma'am. Hope you all are doing good. So today our chapter is the skin, tongue and nose. So we all know that living things can respond to their surroundings, and we human beings have different sense organs by which we can respond to the surroundings. Okay, so the first organ that is skin. Human skin has nerve endings sensitive to touch, pressure, pain and temperature. These and other sensory nerve endings called receptors. So we all have receptors in our skin for which we can, with the help of which we can receive the stimulation. Okay, what is the stimulation? Stimulation is the change in the environment. Okay, so we receive that change, that information with the help of receptor, because they receive stimulation from the outside world. Then we have touch and pressure, like our skin can feel touch and pressure. Touch and pressure receptors are concentrated in the skin of the tongue and fingertips. These receptors detect the texture of objects, whether they are rough, smooth, hard or soft. Touch receptors are also attached to hair roots. If an object brushes against any hair, the receptors are stimulated. Means like touch receptors are also present or attached with the hair roots. That's why when we comb our hair, we can feel that movement. Okay, then pain. We have pain receptor in our skin. Pain receptors are more evenly distributed over the skin. That is why we can feel the pain anywhere we get hurt. Okay, even on the fingertip. Pain acts as a warning signal. It tells the brain that something is wrong with the body. Then we have temperature receptor, like we can feel the heat, the cold. We have that temperature receptor. These are used to detect changes in temperature. The fingertips can detect temperature difference as small as 0.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so even a small change in temperature can be detected with our fingertip. Then we have nose. Nose is another organ. Smell receptors are called olfactory organs. So this is a new thing, a very important line. Smell receptors are known as olfactory organs. They are sensitive to chemicals in the air, but the chemicals must first dissolve in the film of moisture which covers the receptors. Then we have tongue. The taste receptors or taste buds in the tongue are also sensitive to chemicals. There are 4 types of taste bud, that is sweet, sour, salt, bitter tasting substances. Then many different flavors of food and drink are identified according to how much they stimulate these 4 types of receptors. Groups of each type of receptor are concentrated in certain areas of the tongue. So it's not that we can taste the different type of taste in a particular place. It is nothing like that. The taste receptors are distributed evenly throughout our tongue. Certain tastes and smells are extremely unpleasant. These are usually produced by poisonous or decaying or harmful substances. So taste and smell receptors protect us from harm in a similar way to pain receptor. Like if you as we can smell, if smell, how does smell receptors help us from protect us from harm? Suppose we are going to eat something, but we can feel that the smell is not good. So we will get to know that this might be a rotten food, so we won't, or this might be a poisonous food, so we won't eat that thing. Okay, so that's all about the chapter. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.